How to choose who can reply to your stories on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to choose a specific users who can reply to your stories on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and click on profile. Click on those three lines up there. Click on setting. Now click on privacy and scroll down, click on story. Scroll down and click on allow message reply. Now allow message reply, choose who can reply to your story. Choose everyone, people you follow, or turn off this option. Now people you followed, you can just follow your friends or specific users you want, and they gonna the only users who can reply to your stories. For example, I'm gonna choose people I followed. So this is it. This is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.